So I heard you want to join Miss Turner's AQR club.
Yeah.
Well, I've got news for you. You're gonna have some troubles. You're gonna have some issues.
Stupid grades.
But at the very end, you're gonna learn a few things.
Yeah, you are, boy.
Hi, my name is Brett.
Oh, yeah.
And these are my high people. And we will be teaching you the ins and outs of AQR. Let's get started.
Statistical data. Now this could mean anything from, well, finding the median, range, and mode of a certain thing, or batting averages, which I will explain. For this one, I will be using a tennis racket, because I'm way too poor to own a real bat. Hit me, boy. Probability. This is where you take a set of data, such as a coin toss or well, in this case, we'll do a drawing. A random drawing, where in this case, we'll have about 4 truths and 4 lies. Wonder what I'll get. Now, in probability, we would pick one randomly, and we would say if there was 4 truths and 4 lies, it'd be about a 50-50 chance of picking, in this case, a lie. Let's see what I got. Alright, let's see what I got. It's a little hard to do this one-handed. Well, I guess it was the truth. Moving on.
This next portion is called linear and recursive graphs. Yeah. Now, these things require certain formats, such as the format you may know. Yeah. We like to call it the explicit format. Now, this one specifically could be the y equals mx plus b, or usually slope-intercept form. This one, the one you may not be so familiar with, is called the recursion model. This one usually starts with an equals an negative 1, and then followed by your number.
Numbers?
Now, both of these can be figured for other things and, stuff.
Whatever, Rick.
Yeah, shut up. I don't have words for everything.
I don't have many words.
Stupid boy.
Boy.
You know what? Anyway, these things could usually be found to find the trend of graphs, or
No, that's
a line graph is still a graph.
No,
Hey, boy,
no.
These
you
could
know
be
that's
found
not
a
boy.
trend for line graphs.
That's bad.
Stop.
To find basic elements of trends,
You already
or
said
You already said
trend.
trend,
find
fam.
shh.
You already
You
said
already
trend.
said trend, boy. Don't be trying to
Stop
talk, boy.
it.
You already know, boy.
Find basic trends.
You
You
already
teach you how to
You already
use
said trend.
pattern-seeking
Stop.
processes to help figure out
Up.
slope. I don't know. Stop.
This next portion could use certain things like the Hamiltonian circuit, Hamiltonian path, and networking. Now, for example, my friend Harrison is trying to do something where he's connecting all lines together without touching the same line twice. You can't do that.
Let me do it, Brett.
You're not...
Quit. Shh, let me do it.
No, you can't do that.
I'm gonna end your life. Quit correcting me. I'll figure it out myself.
No, you can't do that.
I swear to God!
This next one is called functions. This one uses an advanced form of putting fractions together to try to get certain things like distance ratio or whatever it is you need.
Whatever it
It
is.
can't be super descriptive. Don't worry about it.
Oh.
Okay, perhaps you would like to do something better.
Absolutely. Fractions aren't just the half of it. It also talks about certain lengths and ratios of distances like you had mentioned.
Wow, that's actually really a lot better than what
You
mine
totally
was.
Googled that, didn't you? I mean, I guess I didn't. Alright.
Oh, you just got wrecked, boy. So now that you know what you're doing, you're probably going to want to know how to contact her. Well, I've got news for you. You can always go to her email at jturner.
You forgot the 2.
Well, I'll just leave the rest.
No, you're supposed to do the whole thing.
Shut up.
Get it
I
right.
got it. Don't worry about it.
Boy.
God.
Boy,
These are my
still
hype
Boy,
people.
you're the worst, boy.
Anyway, you can find her in room 815.
I sure hope that's the right place.
Shut up.
For more information, go to room 815. Talk to Jeanette Turner for AQR. Remember, you have to have at least 3 credits of math before you can take that class.
You sound like a hillbilly.
Shut up, I do not sound like a hillbilly.